Namaste and welcome to Kathmandu, Nepal. So today we're headed over there. We're looking for Jhor Waterfall. So I'm still super embarrassed about talking to a camera and walking down the street, or even talking to the camera on my own. But you got to push through these things if you want to do things. So we'll keep trying. So it's still pretty early here. A lot of stuff still shut. I'm looking for a cup of chia and a breakfast. Hopefully I'll find one soon. Okay, so we're opening up now. That there is the Nagajen National Park. That's not where we're going. We're going over that way somewhere to Jhor Waterfall. But yeah, it's pretty cool here. So we're looking for the Bishnumati River, which is going to take us most of the way up to Jhor Waterfall. It should only be about 5 minutes. Okay, so down at the Bishnumati River now. Unfortunately it's not super idyllic because it's full of plastic and pollution and stuff, but there's people having a nice time. Gentlemen having a jog over there. So yeah, we'll see how it develops. Hopefully as we start to get out of the city, some of the plastic waste and the stench will settle a little. So yeah, the waterfall we're looking for is up in that mountain hill. Should take us about 2 or 3 hours to get there, and hopefully there's a route up there. Haven't actually looked for walking routes, but I'm sure there'll be a way. The state of this river is pretty sad. The colour of it, smell of it, all the crap that is in there. Really hope that none of the fish I ate have come from that river. So I can feel the air getting a bit lighter already. The pollution is reducing, which is good because it's pretty heavy duty living in Kathmandu and breathing that in all day. We're getting close to the hills now. So we're starting to get out of the flat bowl of Kathmandu and starting to see some of these more colourful houses on the hills. Oi, oi. That's where we're headed in the front. There's 2 hills. I think it's somewhere in the middle between them. The well-maintained roads of Kathmandu. Starting to get out of the main city now, which is good. Roads are much quieter. There's gardens. Haven't seen a garden in a long time. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, it's really quietened out now. It's beautiful and peaceful. First time it's been peaceful for over a week, so it's nice just to only listen to the crows. So I've had to come off the path, the road, hopefully to find my way up through here. See what we can find. Not sure if I'm supposed to be here, but it's pretty cool. Goat friends. I think that bridge there is where I need to get to. Try and get through this polluted, skanky river. Dude, it's not pleasant down here. Definitely not pleasant. There is some kind of weird bleak beauty in that, but pretty grim. There's a load of ducks at the top. We'll go find the ducks. Oh dude, the smell. It's not pleasant. Glad I brought my sanitizer with me. Jesus Christ. Fuck. Let's go visit the ducks. Shit. There's the little duckies. Little family of duck. A couple of breeds of dogs as well up here. Little duckies. So beautiful up here, almost looks clean and lovely, and then a bit of a contrast. Jesus. Officially out the city now. There's farming going on and so much more space and less pollution. There's been so much pollution. It's amazing to breathe clean air again. It's beautiful. Pretty nice here. Hanging out with my bros. What up, G? Okay, we've started to ascend now. It's not super tough going, but I'm out of breath already. Here we are, Kathmandu Valley. Little shrine there. We're going to keep up on this road, which is hopefully going to take us most of the way to the waterfall. But a few times the road that's been on the maps hasn't existed, or it's fallen down. So we'll just keep on keeping on. Here's Hanuman. There he is. Namaste.
How are you?
Namaste. Can finally see what's on the side of the hill now. It's just been a black silhouette the whole walk so far, but can see all the houses and settlements along it. Looking forward to getting up there. Good road. Where am I? Not sure. Yes mate, goat friends. Goats, cows, chickens. Got all the beautiful coloured houses in the distance along the bottom of the hill. What's up, G? So yeah, we're headed up around there somewhere. Can't see the waterfall yet. I think it's near the top. Not too much longer now. Made a few pals. What's up, bro? Namaste, thanks for having me. I was hoping as we came upstream that the river would get a bit cleaner, but nah, it's grim the whole way down. It's a big shame, big shame. Absolutely love a tree. This is a particularly good looking tree. Looks like it's got a shrine at the bottom of it. Cute little kitties. Definitely getting higher now and getting closer to where the waterfall's supposed to be. I think this is our path down here. Haven't actually seen any sign that this is a tourist spot. I haven't seen anyone else that looks like they're kind of traveling or anything here. So, but I mean, there's the river, so I guess that'll be where the waterfall is somewhere. This was the path up. I'm guessing now these steps are where we're following. Pretty hard going, but we're getting there. This was marked as a road on the Google Maps. I don't think you're going to get a car up here. So I've just been told the waterfall's down here. I think you can swim in it, but after looking at that river, I don't think there's much chance that I'm going to go in there today. But we'll have a look anyway. We'll see what it's like. So I made it to the waterfall. There's literally no one here. And I guess because it's not monsoon season, the waterfall is actually only very small. So I think when it's monsoon and it's wet, there's water comes down all the way from the top, covers this whole thing, cascades down. It's probably quite amazing, but it's only a little trickle today, but that's fine. It's still a lovely spot and it's been a good walk getting here. I've met some nice people along the way. Far too embarrassed to stick a camera in their face, but maybe I'll do that in the future once I feel a bit more confident. But yeah, it's pretty cool there. It's a shrine in a cave. So I think I've found another cave. That didn't go well. I think I've found another cave shrine. Let's have a look, see what we can find. Wow. That's pretty cool. So heading back down now. Got to turn around. I'm quite far out from the city, so I need to start making my way back. Might get a bus if I come across one, but I'm probably going to walk back, just a different loop. Hanging with the mountain goat, trying to get down. Jesus, little woofer. Back down at the bottom of the hill now. Gonna start making my way back via a different route. I'm looking for crossroads. I'm not gonna go along the river this time. We'll go through some of the suburbs and see what we can find around there. Another epic tree. Love a tree. Namaste, bye. So I think I'm where you get the bus from, but I'm going to carry on walking back, I think. It's only a couple of hours, so here's the buses. Just grabbed a cup of tea and a puff pastry biscuit type thing, which is hopefully going to maintain me back to the Tamil area of Kathmandu. Another excellent tree. What a specimen. Good lad. Okay, so down there is the river that we walked along to get here. We walked up there, and now coming back along a different road, a bit higher up. So much construction work here. I guess part is probably due to the earthquake of 2015, and they're probably just building it up, building new roads, making it easier to get into town. Yeah, it's a hive of activity. Great views of Kathmandu from up here. Starting to get into the more built up areas again. There's a bus that probably would have taken me home. I guess that was everyone queuing for their vaccines or a test, although people didn't seem too sick. So another sad example of how much litter there is here. Sake. Good tree though. So I'm back on tarmac road now. This straight road is going to take me most of the way home. More people queuing for what I can only guess is the vaccine. So the air's getting thicker, which means I'm getting closer to my house. First signs of chaos starting to return. These are the tightest streets of the city. Back on the new Bishmunati River, heading into some kind of market now. Looks like a closed market. Hello. No, thank you. So I'm back on my street now. Nice and dusty. I'm absolutely starving, so gonna get some lunch first and then we'll go home. Bloody delicious.